Okay, so welcome to Juicing with Phoenix. Here I'm going to make a quick little smoothie. I'm taking some spinach and some kale, and then I'm going to just wash them thoroughly and make sure that they're nice and clean. And then I'm just gonna take the spinach and the kale and place them into my Ninja. Whoa! And now I'm gonna add some blueberries. Okay, I love me some blueberries. I'm gonna add some blueberries, make sure I wash my fruits, blueberries and strawberries, and add them into the Ninja. Now, this dragon fruit was so good and it helped to give me so much energy throughout the day. This smoothie was very filling. Now I'm just adding some Chobani milk, and I'm going to add some water as well. Start this bad boy up. And then voila, there you have it. A quick and easy meal smoothie that you can have and take on the go with you to give you energy, okay? Try it out. Let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. Mwah.